Alright, what is up guys? Today we're going to do a full day of eating. I'm cutting right now, so we're going to be getting about 2,600 calories a day, going for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So getting 175, 180 grams, something like that. And we're going to go for at least 60 grams of fat. We'll see where that comes out. I'm intermittent fasting right now, so I probably won't have my first meal until about 2 p.m. So before that, we might get some coffee in before the workout. So yeah, let's do it. Also, my hair is a mess right now because I can't get a cut right now. We're all in quarantine and barber shops are closed, obviously. So this is what we're working with. I'm just gonna throw some of that into our coffee maker, make some of that, and just drink it black. I usually do like half of one of these little scoopers. So I usually work out while I'm fasted, just because it's a little easier in my day. It's like I usually start working out at like noon or 1 or something, and I get a coffee in beforehand just because, you know, caffeine. It's great. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my coffee to brew, and we're going to drink that, and then we're going to get our workout in. Coffee's done. Oh yeah, there we go. This coffee's actually really good too. Actually blueberry flavored. Alright, so that workout's done. So we're gonna eat our first meal of the day. It is, let's see, oh, it's 3 p.m., 3:07. So we're gonna have our first meal. I think it's gonna be some oatmeal. So let's do it. Also, I did just take a shower after that workout, so this isn't all just sweat. It's actually water. I'm clean, I swear. So this oatmeal is like some of my favorite breakfasts right now. It's 30 grams of dark chocolate kind granola, a banana, and 40 grams of oats, 1 serving, and 1 scoop of True Nutrition pea and rice protein powder. So I'm also gonna eat some carrots and hummus, like a serving of carrots and hummus, and probably this protein bar, which is pretty low in calories. 170 and 17 grams of protein. It's pretty macro friendly. So that and this and yeah, a little more of a snack. I do measure the vegetables, but you really don't need to necessarily. I'm just like kind of OCD about it. So I have 85 grams of carrots, which is 1 serving. And I'm gonna kind of just eyeball the hummus, like I'll probably eat like a serving and a half, or even a little less. So usually when I'm cutting, I overestimate my calories a little bit, just so I tend to fall under more often, because I'd rather rather eat lower than I'm supposed to than higher, just for my goals right now. If I was bulking, it'd be vice versa. So that's a little useful tidbit for you. So this is where we're at right now, 848 calories. And I did also have some Gatorade during that workout because those deadlifts are hard, and I feel like intra-workout carbs help a little bit in terms of energy, at least for me. So 848 calories, 118 grams of carbs, 19 grams of fat, and 55 grams of protein. It's about 4 p.m. now, and I'm done breakfast, and I'll probably eat in like 2 hours for a really late lunch. It's gonna be like 6 p.m. So yeah, I'll see you back then. Alright, so it is 6 o'clock here in New York, and I'm about to eat my lunch, and yes, it's a very late lunch. I got a particularly late start today on eating with this whole intermittent fasting approach. Normally I would eat lunch around like I don't know, 4:30, and my breakfast around like, I don't know, 1:30 or 2. But this works, especially trying to keep my calories lower. So I think I'm gonna make some veggie tempeh stir fry, and that'll probably be around like 800, 700 calories. So yeah, let's start doing that. Alright, so here's our macros so far. We're at 1447. So that meal was actually only 600 calories. About a little more than one serving worth of black beans, a half a container of tempeh, a serving of broccoli, serving of mushrooms, and about 200 grams of cooked rice. So yeah, it wasn't as much as I thought. I'll probably eat like a little snack in a little bit. Alright, so we just finished up that meal, and I'm a little bit low on protein right now, so I'm going to eat a little more. I'm just going to have a protein shake, just mixed with water, just more of the true nutrition. So I'll mix that up now, and just an apple with a serving and a half of this PB Fit, which is just PB2 powdered peanut butter. It's pretty high in protein and pretty low in fat, which is what I need right now. I'll see you guys back when I eat dinner, which is probably going to be like 8:30 or 9 o'clock at this point. Alright, so we're going to eat some dinner now. I don't have that many calories left, and I think I want to eat some of this Nada Moo ice cream that I got. So I'm going to eat a smaller dinner, just this tofurkey sandwich, I think, and some trail mix on the side. So I'm going to make that up now, and I'll show you guys when it's done. Alright, so for dinner time, we're just gonna do some tofurkey, a serving of tofurkey slices, a serving of hummus, and some of this bread. So just a little tofurkey sandwich with hummus on it. And we're gonna have a serving of these protein-packed trail mix nuts to get a little more fat in. Alright, so it's not pretty, but it's the last meal of the day. Our cat loves this, so Castiel's gonna get a little bit of tofurkey. So we're gonna watch John Carpenter's The Thing. So we gotta eat some ice cream, of course. I got this Nada Moo, so I'll probably eat like a half of this. And that'll finish up my calories for the day. Alright, so that was a full day of eating today. Came in at 2654 calories for everything. We got 349 grams of carbs, 68 grams of fat, and 173 grams of protein. So pretty spot on, like exactly what I wanted to hit pretty much. I don't usually eat the ice cream, but that's just how it turned out today, and it was delicious. So if you find Nada Moo in the stores, definitely get it because it's really fucking good. Hope you guys liked it, and I'm going to sleep, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace.